Good morning, students. It's very happy to see you after a long break. I think you're all safe and happy at your home. In the last year, we saw about solar system. I think students, you know about solar system? Yes, we know about solar system. The solar system is nothing but the 9 planets. What is the solar system, students? The 9 planets. Okay, you all know about solar system. Which is the third planet in the solar system? Anyone knows? Yes, the third planet in the solar system is Earth. In which planet we are living, students? In this Earth only we are all living. How is the planet now? How is the Earth now? It is peaceful or a little bit struggling? Yes, it is little bit struggling now because of the man-made disasters or natural disaster or some of chemicals, using of too much of chemicals nowadays. We are taking too much of tablets, we are cutting off all the trees, using too much of chemicals like tablets. These are all struggling to live in this planet. Do you know about globe? Have you seen a globe in your somewhere? Yes, you may saw a globe model of the earth somewhere in your office, in your home, or somewhere in your school, in some other places. In that globe, you see some lines like this way, north to south and west to east. The lines are imaginary lines. What is the lines called? Yes, it is an imaginary lines. What is the line called? Imaginary lines. This is the name of this chapter. The chapter name is the imaginary lines. Nothing but latitude and longitude. What, children? Yes, latitude and longitude. Someone tell the spelling for latitude. There are two kinds of line. One is latitude and longitude. The line latitude, spelling for latitude is L-A-T-I-T-U-D-E. What is the spelling for latitude? Yes, it is latitude. You may saw the globe. The upward is the north pole and the downward is the south pole. What is the, children? What is the upward of the globe? The top is the north pole and the bottom is the south pole. Then your right side is west and your left side is east. What is, tell me the direction for upward of the globe? Upward is north, downward is south, right side is west and left side is east. This is the direction of the globe. Shall we go into the latitude and longitude of the lines? What is the two kinds of lines? Yes, it is latitude and longitude. First we saw about the solar system, the 9 planets. Now it is come to 8 planets because you all know about the Pluto. Okay, the solar system, we saw the solar system, we saw the disasters. The main disasters are because of the human beings only. Then we are living in the third planet. We are a little bit struggling to live nowadays because of some harmful virus. You all know COVID-19. Okay, next to the globe. The globe is nothing but the model of the earth. What is the globe? It is the model of the earth. What is the globe, children? Yes, it is the model of the earth. In this globe, we saw some lines passing through the globe. In this globe, we saw some lines passes through the globe. The line is called the imaginary lines. Now we got the name of the lesson. What is the name of the lesson, children? Someone tell? Yes. Now I told the imaginary lines. The lines passes through the globe. There are only two kinds of lines. What are the lines? There are only two kinds of lines. One is latitude and other one is longitude. One is latitude and other one is longitude. Okay, now children, tell me the spelling for latitude. Someone tell what is the spelling for latitude? Yes, spelling for latitude is L-A-T-I-T-U-D-E. Yes, it is correct. The first one is, the two kind of line is latitude and longitude. The first we are going to see is latitude. The lesson name is nothing but the imaginary lines. The lines drawn on the globe. That is the model of the earth. You saw somewhere in your office, your school, somewhere in exhibition like that. The line passes through the globe is nothing but the imaginary lines. There is not actually exist on the surface of the earth. It is just nothing but a imaginary lines. It is not passes through the surface of the earth. It is an imaginary lines. It is not a original lines. It is a man-made lines. It is not drawn nature. It is made by human beings only to easily locate the place, easily locate the countries, easily locate the continents. That's why we made the imaginary lines. Imaginary line is nothing but the man-made lines. The lines are latitude and longitude. Nothing but the latitude. Okay, shall we see about the latitude, children? Shall we start about latitude? Okay, someone tell the spelling for latitude. Tell me the spelling for latitude. Okay, right. Latitude is L-A-T-I-T-U-D-E. Latitude is always passes from west to east. It's always travel from west to east or east to west. It is travel from west to east. The lines of the middle of the greater line is nothing but the equator. The middle line is the longer line, the bigger line is nothing but the equator. What is the middle line? What is the largest line in the latitude? Is nothing but the equator. Someone tell which is the longest line in the middle of the line in the latitude? Tell, children. The middle of the globe. The middle of the globe, that is nothing but the equator. From west to east, little bit slanting line from west to east, nothing but the equator. Someone tell the spelling for equator. E-Q-U-A-T-O-R. What is the spelling? Tell someone. Yes, it is nothing but equator. E-Q, capital E, E-Q-U-A-T-O-R. Equator is the center of the line, because it also called as great circle. Equator is also called as great circle. It is nothing but great circle. Equator is also called as great circle. Why it is also called as great circle? Because the equator divide the earth. The equator divide the earth into two halves. The equator lines divide the earth into two halves. One is northern hemisphere. The upper bottom is the northern hemisphere and the bottom part is the southern hemisphere. Now tell, children, in the latitude, which is the, in this equator, the equator divides the earth into two halves. What? The earth into two halves. The upper portion is the northern hemisphere and the bottom portion is the southern hemisphere. The equator divides the earth into two equal parts. That's only we are calling as great circle. We call it the equator as great circle. What we are calling? The equator is a great circle. In this latitude, equator is the main line which divides the earth into two equal parts. The one is northern hemisphere, the other one is southern hemisphere. Tell the children's equator, what the equator is doing in this earth. Someone tell. Yes, the equator, in this latitude, the equator, that is traveling from west to east, it divides the earth into two equal parts. That is, the upper portion is the northern hemisphere and the bottom portion is the southern hemisphere, because the axis line is passes through the center of the earth. In the earth, in the model of the earth, in the globe, the center line passes through the center of the earth. The lines called as axis. You know that? The lines called as axis. What is the spelling for axis? Axis. A-X-I-S. A-X-I-S. The center line is axis. A-X-I-S. In this globe, The center line passes through the earth is axis, AXIS. It always passes through the center of the earth. In that line only the earth rotates itself. Okay, in this line only the earth rotates itself. It is nothing but it's also the imaginary lines. In that side it is west side, east side, northern portion, southern portion. The equator divides the earth into two equal parts. It is nothing but the upper portion is the northern portion and down portion is the southern portion. Tell students, what is the equator doing in this model of the globe, in this earth? Tell, what is the equator is doing? Yes, the equator is dividing the earth into two equal parts. The earth is dividing the earth into two equal parts. One is the northern, the upper side is the northern portion and the bottom side is the southern portion. Nothing but the North Pole, South Pole. The equator divides the earth into two equal parts. You all understand, students? Is there any doubt? The equator divides the earth into two equal parts. It's always traveling in the middle of the earth. The latitude lines always do not meet because it is also a parallel lines. The latitude lines do not meet each other because it is a parallel lines. It just go on traveling from east to west or west to east. It does not meet because it is a latitude lines and parallel lines. There are some four kinds of lines in the latitude. Shall we saw the four lines? Shall we see now, children? There are, take a notes, there are some other lines in the latitude. Some important lines. Shall we take some important lines? I think you are all already know some important 4 lines in the latitude. Shall I tell the first one? Yes, the 4 other important lines in the latitude are, first one, Tropic of Cancer. First one, write it down, Tropic of Cancer. Some other 4 important lines. We saw one line, it is the equator. Some other 4 important lines are Tropic of Cancer, 23½ north. Write it down, children. Some other important lines. The first one, I am going to tell about 4 lines. The first line is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. The first one is Tropic of Cancer. TROPIC. Tropic of Cancer. CANCER. Tropic of Cancer. After writing the 3 words, write 23, then put half 1/2. 23 half, put a dot on the top of the half. 23½ north. First one is Tropic of Cancer, 23½ north. Then I am going to tell, someone tell first, what is the first line? Correct. The first line is Tropic of Cancer, 23½ north. Shall I tell the second line, children? Okay. First one is Tropic of Cancer. The second one is Tropic of Capricorn. The second line is Tropic of Capricorn. TROPIC. Tropic. Write the spelling for the second line. TROPIC. Tropic of Capricorn. Capricorn. CAPRICON. Tropic of Capricorn, 23½ south. First one is north, second one is south. The first line is Tropic of Cancer, 23½ north. Then the second line is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, 23½ south. Shall I go to third line, children? The first one is Tropic of Cancer, then Tropic of Capricorn. The third one is Arctic Circle. What is the third one? Arctic Circle. Shall I tell the spelling for third one? Now I am going to tell the spelling for third one. These are all some other lines in the latitude after equator. And now I am going to tell the third line. Arctic Circle. ARCTIC. What is the spelling? ARCTIC. Arctic Circle. CARCLE. Arctic Circle 66 degree half north. Arctic Circle 66 degree half north. Shall I go to the fourth line, children? The first one is Tropic of Cancer 23 half degree north. Then the second one is Tropic of Capricorn 23 degree half south. The third line is Arctic Circle 66 degree half north. Then I am going to tell the last and final line, Arctic Circle 66 degree south. The last and final line is first one Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Same like 66 degree half south. These are all the 4 important lines in the equator, that is the latitude lines. Okay, someone tell the 4 lines, children. Someone tell the 4 lines of latitude. The first one is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Okay, first 2 are 23 half degree north, south. Then second 2 are 66 half degree north and south. Some other important properties of latitudes. Now I am going to tell about the properties. The properties nothing but what is the lines are doing in the latitude. The lines are traveling. This is a globe. The lines are traveling from west to east. Likewise, the latitudes are traveling like parallel lines. The parallel lines properties means about the lines. Lines doesn't meet each other. The parallel lines, that is the equator, doesn't meet anywhere at any pole. They gone traveling around the earth. This is one property. The another property, the main important line, it means great circle. The equator is called as great circle. The other important line is great circle. One is parallel, one is great circle. This is the properties. Properties means just the meaning of the lines. This is the meaning of the latitude. Nothing but the latitude lines traveling from west to east. From west to east, the middle line is the equator. It divides the globe into 2 equal parts. From the upper part is the northern hemisphere, the down bottom is the southern hemisphere. This is the we know this is the latitude. Now we see the latitude portions. Now we are going to see about longitude. What we are going to see about longitude? Latitude means parallel lines. Longitude means from north to south. The line passes from north to south. That is from upper portion to down portion. That is from upper portion to down portion. Nothing but the longitude. Longitude travels from north to south. It is nothing but look like an orange. We know about the fruit orange. Little bit bulge at the side portion and flat at the top of the portion. It is like nothing but an orange. Students, the longitude is nothing but look like an orange. Inside the orange piece are looking like a semicircle fruits. Inside the orange, we peel the orange means we get the fruits like portion, semicircle fruits inside the orange. Likewise, the longitude looks like the lines traveling like a semicircle. That is the small pieces of the orange. That is from northern portion to southern portion. It traveling from northern portion to southern portion like an orange piece. You all know about orange. You eat orange, no? A very healthy fruit having vitamins. It's very healthy. The longitude is looking like an orange. It traveling inside the piece of an orange. Travel from north side to south side. Little bit bulge in the side and flat at the topum. Flat at the topum, bulge at the side. That is west side to east and flat at the north to bottom. Nothing but the north pole to south pole. Okay, now we see about the longitude. The longitude lines just meet at some point. If it is meet at the north pole or somewhere it looks like meet at the south pole, it should meet. But what we saw in the latitude. The points are meet in the latitude are students. Meet pannuma, latitude la meet pannuma. Yes, latitude la meet pannad. Yena Latitude means it's a parallel line. The equator lines are parallel. It doesn't meet. But longitude lines are little bit looking like a piece of an orange. So it somewhere meets. It somewhere meets. If it is looking like a semicircle means it somewhere meets at any point. It may be at the point of North Pole. It's somewhere at the point of South Pole. It should meet. These explanations are giving now because if you want to locate some place in the globe or model of the earth or somewhere in your map, it is very difficult to point out the countries, continents somewhere. If you know about the latitude and longitude, that is the circle, parallel lines and upward downward lines, it is very easy to locate the countries, a small country as well as a big country. That only the humans are made to locate the countries in the model of the earth, that is the globe. We draw some imaginary lines. The lines are not original lines, it is not a nature lines, it is just a man-made lines. It is very easy to locate the countries, place, climates, some other mountains, peaks like this. We can easily able to locate the place. That's why we put the imaginary lines without any confusion. If we divide the portion into latitude and longitude, it is very easy to find the place. Latitude always passes through west to east and longitude always to north to south. From North Pole to South Pole or South Pole to North Pole. It definitely meet. The longitude is always meets, but the latitude it doesn't meet because it is a parallel line. Okay, come to the longitude. Longitude is looking like what? The fruit. Yes, the longitude circles looking like an orange piece. Inside the orange, the piece are little bit semicircle, no? You all know about? Yes. The inside the fruit of an orange, the pieces are looking like a semicircle. Likewise, the longitude lines are traveling from north to south. It looks like an orange piece. It is meets at one point. You should know the points are meet at one point. These lines are known as imaginary lines. போதும் சார், இதுக்கு மேலே கற்பனை பண்ண தெரியல. These lines are known as longitude. It is nothing but the traveling from north to south. It is nothing but the, tell the spelling for longitude, childrens. Longitude, L-O-N-G-I-T-U-D-E. Nothing but longitude. It is travel from what side, which direction? Yes, it travel from North Pole to South Pole like an piece of an orange, like a piece of an orange. Okay, what does the longitude mean? The longitude lines are meet at one point? Yes, the longitude lines are meet at one point. It may be in the North Pole or maybe in the Southern Pole. The longitude lines meet at one point. The latitude lines, it doesn't meet because it is a parallel lines. After merging all the latitude and longitude, it become a grid. It become a grid. If you draw both the lines latitude and longitude like this, parallel lines and semicircle lines, we got some square lines in between the globe. We got some piece of square in between the grid. Some square. The square is mean it as grid. G-R-I-D. It made it as grid. It is nothing but the lines form a network. Children, the lines form a network from east to west lines and north to south lines. If we draw both the lines, we get some small squares. It is very easy to locate the place, country, some peaks, some continents. It is very easy to, because we got a small squares. What we get? We got a small squares. The square is nothing but a grid. G-R-I-D. It is, if we got the grid means we can easily locate Australia, India, China. Which place we want to mark means we can easily find out from the squares. What we called as a square? Yes, the square is nothing but a grid. G-R-I-D. Tell me, children, what is the spelling for grid? G-R-I-D. First see Shall we go for some glance? First we saw about solar system, man-made disasters, the third planet, that is nothing but the earth we are living. Then we saw about the imaginary lines, our imaginary lines in the model of the earth, nothing but the globe. We saw some lines. There are only two kinds of lines, children. How many kinds of lines? Yes, only two kinds of lines. One is latitude, the parallel lines. The other one is longitude. Latitude doesn't meet longitude. Looking like a piece of orange, it should meet in somewhere in North Pole or somewhere in South Pole. It should meet. If we draw all those lines, the two kinds of lines, we got the small squares. It's nothing but a grid. What is that, children? Grid. G-R-I-D. Grid. Okay, children, I think we are all know about I think you got some idea about the imaginary lines, nothing but two kinds of lines, latitude, longitude. And finally we got the squares, is nothing but a grid. Okay, students, go through from this lesson. In next chapter, I will give you some explanations about this and we go on further lesson. Thank you, students. Thank you.